Now let's proceed to the goals and objectives of the remaining colleges. From the College of Criminology and Law Enforcement, we will be joined by Mr. Ronibel Camerano on behalf of Dean Genetina A. Laguna.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Spiro Ronibel Camerano of the Philippine National Police, representing our Dean Laguna of the College of Criminology and Law Enforcement. Since we don't have the presentation, I will directly inform you the purposes and objectives of the College of Criminology and Law Enforcement. It is the general knowledge of the BS Criminology graduates for PNP services only. However, majority are unaware that BS Criminology students are hoped to be employed not only in the PNP, but also in the other allied law enforcement services. Not only in the PNP. Likewise, their academic preparation is applicable for employment in security industry, commercial banks, and other private companies in the country. Generally, public safety is our main concern, or the main concern of the College of Criminology. It is therefore our commitment to help the government produce professional, competent, and morally upright individuals who will lead our criminal justice system. To accomplish this, the men and women behind this institution work together in harmony with the following specific objectives. As first objective of the college, we as part of its workforce strive to provide the students with high quality of instruction and preparation for their future career in criminal justice system and in other private companies. Secondly, the instruction is geared to provide the students with the needed theoretical and practical experience in criminology practice and allied fields of public safety. While the third objective aims to instill among the students authentic concept for effective and exemplary leadership through participation in academic, co-curricular activities, and community extension services. And lastly, the college strives in training the students to acquire all the facets of criminology education while instilling principles of respect for human rights and due process of law. Of course, we all know that without recognizing this aspect of human life, the knowledge and skills they obtain will be useless if they fail to uphold a high sense of respect for human dignity. It is simply because, generally, they are trained to be future law enforcers. With these objectives, all of us in the College of Criminology and Law Enforcement are guided with particular directions we have to take to attain success with our commitment. And for those who are enrolled in the College of Criminology, welcome and hope you enjoy your stay in our university.
Thank you, sir.